I'll be showing you step by step how to delete the Powered by Shopify text in the footer of your Shopify store. Before I dive into it, if you're looking for a Shopify theme designed to make your store more sales and more money, look no further than my very own theme called Conversion King. There's a link in the description below. So the text I'm talking about here is if we head to a demo Shopify store, I'm just going to zoom in so it's easier to see. But at the bottom here, we can see Powered by Shopify. And if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to Shopify's homepage. And let's go and remove this here. So starting from our Shopify dashboard, we'll head to Online Store on the left-hand side. I'll zoom in a bit to make it easier to see. So click on Online Store. This should open up your themes section automatically. And I'm currently using a version of Dawn, but this should apply to just about any Shopify theme here. And the way we're going to remove it is heading over to this 3 dots next to the Customize button. So I'll click on that, head down to the link called Edit Default Theme Content. Clicking that again, it's going to bring me to this theme content section, and it's going to be split up amongst quite a few different parts of your theme, from the newsletter section, onboarding, products, and so on. And we can edit the default language, such as if we wanted to change the add to cart language. But what we're specifically looking for is the search bar at the top here. I'm going to search for Powered, and it should show this up here. And the section we're looking at is the Powered by Shopify text. As you can see, a placeholder text is here for Powered by Shopify. What you want to do is just hit the space bar. It's going to basically just remove that section. If we hit save in the top right here, if I head back to my Shopify store and go and reload this page at the top, I can see the text has now been removed nicely. And just like that, we removed it from our footer section. And overall, the process is just to head to the theme language and enter in a blank space. This concludes the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If it helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.